Upo na lahat na
Kasama
residents.
po kayo, brothers. Okay. Brothers, also take your seats together because we will serve the food. Brothers, also brothers, please take your seats so that they can distribute the food.
Nakasya ba na?
Ako na
Sinabi
ako
mo?
po.
Sinabi mo sa kanila? Ay, sinabi mo sa kanila.
Di pa nakaupo yung iba.
Ako, brothers, you also take seats. Sit down, please. Sit down.
Upo na, brothers and sisters.
Ayan, sige na.
Okay na po. Brothers and sisters,
Bigay ito po, bigay nyo na.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Thank you!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Entertainin po tayo kasama po sisters.
Merry Christmas!
Ayos!
A picture taking!
Atras, atras. Atras.
Picture taking!
Okay. Sige po.
Brothers! Para sa mga brothers!
Brothers, the sisters have
Brothers!
Christmas gift for you.
Brothers!
Of course, before you receive the Christmas, you will see, no? And there's a thank you, thank you. Deep in our hearts, deep in our hearts, so there's a thank you, deep in our hearts. Deep in our hearts for you. We're very happy, we're very happy. We got the love of Jesus in our hearts. We're very happy, we're very happy. We got the love of Jesus in our heart. And there's a thank you, deep in our hearts. Deep in our hearts, deep in our hearts. And there's a thank you, deep in our hearts. Deep in our hearts for you. Thank you. Merry Christmas and thank you.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you po, mga sisters.
Thank you po.
Picture taking ko lang ng picture taking ko pa yung kasama sila.
Okay, picture taking
Picture
tayo.
taking ko lang.
Isa pa daw.
Break your chair na lang po, sisters.